I don't wanna be. I do. I'm feeling groovy.
Bonjour tout le monde, hi everybody. The Axe Multiplayer Solution. I'm Luciano Brussal from Nugeta. I'm CTO and founder of the company. And what is Nugeta? Nugeta is on-demand cross-platform API for games. It is cross-platform and hosted in the cloud, and it is on-demand. We have started the company in October last year, and we are stated in Provence, made in Provence, France. We are pleased to announce today we support the Axe API, allowing you to fit your to plug in your Axe games multiplayer and social feature easy. We provide all the bundle to integrate it easily in your game, and it's easy to set up. It takes less a minute to integrate Nugeta in your game and enter in multiplayer and social features. We empower your game with default multiplayer modes. So we have, for example, the game state tab, which allow you to transparently have a gaming experience. For example, you can start your game from a desktop and continue transparently your gaming experience on the mobile. So typically, we save in real time your game state. We offer disconnected game for long gameplay, like for example, if you play Pictionary or if you know the game Draw Something, you can play around across several days. So we support it natively. We support Ghost Data mode, which allow you to record games previously done, and this way, player can compete against games already played. And we support turn-based game, which fit perfectly for card game like poker, for example. The solution is completely open and fully customizable. Petit problème. I thought we have a on-demand API definition. In fact, you never work with low-level layers like a network, etc. We offer you a visual editor allowing you to define visually your game model. It's a bit complicated, but tomorrow you will have a more explanation in the workshop. You have two kinds of API. For simple games, you can use only the Axe API or any supported APIs, because we have APIs for Axe and all APIs for all the OS existing, major OS, iOS, Android, Flash, Unity 3D, HTML5. And also you have an API for having access to all the Nugeta features on server side. If you need, we have a game loop support. Our goal is to provide you a way to gain and retain players on your game. So we have integrated for you Facebook and Google authentication on your game. This way your player can challenge their friend directly or invite them if they are not already on your game. We provide entertainment feature like trophies, achievements, allowing your player to unlock a feature in the game, leaderboard to let them compete all together, or you can also define a virtual shop store. We provide you real-time analytics, allowing to understand and control your community. You know where they are from, how many times they play, which targets they use, etc., to improve your game. Nugeta turn cloud simple. What we mean here is we host the game for you. So cloud is a powerful tool, but it's difficult for you for everybody, even for me, to know, to masterize the resource. So we do it all for you. You don't need to take care about the resource you will consume. We take care for you, for your game. When it's open, Sandbox is open the next week on Tuesday, so you can claim your developer account to have a practice. And tomorrow we have a workshop, so you are welcome to come and start coding your first game with NuGeta tomorrow. I would like to thank Nicolas Canas for this famous project. Special thanks to Intermedia. It's thanks to them we are here today. Thank you to all to maintain this open source project. I like open source project too. I've done some. Thank you to our investor. We are backed by Business Angels. And special thanks to the NuGeta team for making this wonderful project a reality. Thank you.